Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rita Slanina and I'm an actress, author, and I like to do some lifestyle things from time to time. Today we are tackling the closet. Winter to summer, declutter, overhaul, refresh, reset, call it what you want. It is such a mess and I'm so tired of the overflow and it's making it hard to get into my music room. So let's get started.
Hi, Bruno. How are you doing? How are you doing? So as you can see, this room really is dual purpose. I have both my recording studio over here, which is still a work in progress, instruments, blah blah blah, and then over here we have my dressing room. I believe every woman should do this, every couple should do this that's living together. Ladies, move your closet to a spare room if you have one and make it yours. Okay, we're at the top of February. We're in the middle of the first quarter. Hey. And what is happening here is a mystery. It's a disaster. Let's just clean it up. I just can't. This is ridiculous. Overhauling the closet. / dressing room. It's like literally spilling out. This is ridiculous. Oh my goodness.
At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.